Hello again, everyone. It's Vince from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for September 30th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did finish off the month of September with gains. By the end of it, the Dow was higher by 96 points. The S&P 500 was higher by 14. The NASDAQ higher by almost 60 points, while the Russell 2000 gaining about 3 points. Leading the way was Apple. Apple did get a price target increase from an analyst at JPMorgan, who is expecting stronger iPhone sales than what was first thought, and also expected increased demand in 2020 once the 5G phones are released. So he raised his price target from 243 to 265, and today Apple closing higher by a little over 5 points, or 2.35%, and looks certainly to be back on its way to these highs at 233 and potentially beyond. So Apple leading the way today. The bond market did finish slightly higher. The yield on the 10-year note settling at 1.669%. Commodities took a bit of a hit. Crude oil down $1.56 at the official close, or 2.80 today, while gold futures down strongly, down almost 28 points, or 1.8%, on a very strong move in the US dollar today. There it is, hitting a new high at 99.459 today. So as you know, we are getting the employment numbers later on this week. Wednesday, we get the ADP, the private sector numbers, and then Friday, we get the employment situation report. So we'll look forward to that. Please remember to click the subscribe button below and click the little notification bell. That way, you'll be notified whenever there's a new video and you won't miss any. And by all means, please share them with your friends. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.